Hi everyone. I've got a lot of empathy for my viewer who sent this clip in, and this was captured probably about 10 minutes after he'd arrived back home from work. You may think he was lucky for having an operating dashcam, but he still gets hit in the pocket.
The incident was reported to the police and a footage was also provided. 2 suspects were found, including the uninsured registered keeper and someone else who was a non-licence holder. As expected, the registered keeper didn't identify himself or nominate another person within 28 days. He was given 6 points and a £660 fine. There was some pretty bad damage to my viewer's car, as you can see by the pictures. Because the car would have been written off if my viewer had gone through the insurance, he decided to send it to the body shop himself. He also said it would have worked out cheaper, and this was probably because of his insurance excess and also the fact that his premiums would have increased also. I would like to quickly mention the other car in the clip, the white Mercedes. It did seem to leave another property from the same street earlier on before the collision. However, it does seem to drive off without even checking. I know they nearly got hit themselves and were probably in a little bit of a flap, but I do hope they got in touch to let my viewer know exactly what went on in this incident. Not everyone has got a working dashcam when a car's parked. However, with all this in mind, this is still only a partial win. Don't forget, my viewer had to pay a substantial body shop bill, even though the registered keeper still got a big fine and some points. It wasn't all win. There's one extra point that I'd like to mention though. I don't know whether it was available, but if I was parking on a street like this and I had a driveway to park my car on, I'd try and stick it on there because it reduces risk massively. Keep safe everyone. I'll see you soon.